Watermelon agua fresca is so refreshing on a hot day. And all it is watermelon water, a little sugar and lime, and then a blender. Watch how easy. So first we're going to have the watermelon. So depending on the size of your watermelon, you might use the whole half. Mine was fairly large, so I ended up using about a quarter of the watermelon, which was approximately 4 cups. So I sliced it, quartered it, and now I'm taking off the rinds and then taking out the seeds. This was a seedless one, but it still had a few seeds. And then cubing it or chunking it so that it'll go in the blender. And then add all that to the blender, about 4 cups, about a quarter cup of sugar, about a cup of water, and a squeeze of a whole lime. Blend that up, and there you have it. Now just pour it over a glass of ice and garnish it with a lime. Okay, time for a taste test. Excellent.